Hello my friends, this is Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q, and I'm in my kitchen. One of the most common meat questions I get asked by my friends are, how do you cook a good steak? And how do you choose a good steak? They're often humbled when they go to the store, grocery store, butcher, or whatever, and have to select a steak. And they wanted to know what my criteria was for picking a good steak. I'm going to show you. Here we go. These are a couple of ribeyes, and they're USDA choice ribeyes that I purchased from my local grocery store. And I have to admit the quality of the steaks they had in the cabinet weren't that great, but this is what I got. Let's take a closer look at these ribeyes. This one has a large spinalis, a small eye of the ribeye, and it has a second little heart. So you've got 3 different muscles in this one. This ribeye cap has got a lot of marbling, so it's going to be very, very tasty. A lot of people would shy away from this one because of the big chunks of fat in it. However, if cooked right, you're going to get more tender meat out of this one. Keep in mind, these are choice steaks, so it's not a whole lot of marbling as you would get in a prime grade ribeye. This ribeye also has a fairly large cap. The eye is larger. The further you go down that rib roast towards the sirloin end, the larger that eye is going to get, and eventually towards the end of that rib roast, you're going to have all eye and no ribeye cap. The amount of fat decreases, but what increases is the amount of gristle. And I don't know if you can see that. There's like tough little portions there, and there's some in here. In the first steak that I showed you, we have minor amounts of that here, not very much. So in choosing a steak, when you go to the butcher section, look through, and you tell the butcher you're looking for something from the front portion of that rib roast, which has a large spinalis, versus the bottom portion of it, which will have a smaller spinalis and a larger eye.